YouTube? Eric DIY with another review for you. Tonight we're reviewing the Epicka Universal Travel Power Adapter. If you have a bunch of chargers at your bedside like I do to charge your phones, your Bluetooth headphones, and your key charger at night, you might want to link it over and get one of these Epicka travel chargers. I'm going to clean this up with just this travel charger. All those cables are now plugged into the Epicka travel charger, and it also leaves space to plug something else in the outlet that you took up with the travel charger. So inside the package, it comes with its own little storage bag. It also comes with a little direction pamphlet. It comes with the travel adapter itself with USB ports. You have a USB-C port here, and you have regular USB ports on the bottom. Last but not least, it comes with an adapter cable. So what makes this travel adapter universal is that you have 3 different types of plugs in it. Alright, Zach's going to show us the 3 different types of plugs that are used in the universal travel adapter. First we're going to do the European one. Zach, can you push the European one out, please? If you notice, it will have a European adapter. Alright, put that back in for me, bud. Alright, and then we have the United Kingdom, which basically has the United Kingdom type adapter right there. Has a neutral and a live. Alright, put that back, please. Finally, we have the United States adapter, which is what we use. If you notice, it doesn't have a grounding pin on any of these, so this is not for grounded devices. This is merely just for charging devices out of the unit itself. On the top of the universal travel adapter, you have the multi-input. Now, they make it very clear in the directions that this does not convert voltage. In other words, if you have it plugged into a 220 volt European outlet, it's going to be 220 volts coming out of here no matter what. It's not going to be like United States. You can put the plug in, it'll fit there, but it'll probably fry whatever you put in there. Because in the United States we use 120 volts. So it has to match the same volts that are going into the plug basically. On the bottom it has regular USB ports to charge with. Each USB port supports 2.4 amps and it has a total of 5.6 amps between all 4 total. For newer devices it has USB-C. Has a port right there, which is what I use to charge my cell phone, which is a Google Pixel 2. To use the universal adapter, basically just take the plug of your choice. We're in the United States right now. So we'll have the United States adapter go out, and you just plug it right in, and it's all ready to charge devices. And notice that you still have this to plug something into it. You can plug in AC adapters from the front. Again, we're in America, so we're going to use the United States one, and it has multiple outputs. You can put UK, you can have Europe, or you can do United States in the same plug. You have the USB-C, so plug one into the side here and also the other side into my Google Pixel 2, and you can see that it's charging. This actually charges pretty fast, so I don't have any problems with charging my phone on this. Using the cord that comes with it, you could plug the regular USB adapter into the bottom. Other end can go into a lightning device, or if you open it up by popping the middle out, you could have micro USB for charging. For the amount of cleaning up it does on cords, especially for where I charge my devices at night, it seems to be very safe in charging. I do give the Epicka travel charger a thumbs up. It's an excellent product. I plan on using it basically forever. I might even buy another one so I have some in different places in the house. If you'd like to pick up your Epicka travel charging adapter, please look at the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can buy your own, and you'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. Give it a like and subscribe if you like this video, and as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.